today's vlog, I'm going to do a Chanel makeup overhaul. Okay, so this is really fast. So I bought this one, this Chanel Les Peaches. I don't know how to pronounce it, but the shade is B80, and it's like dewy shade, and it looks natural on your face. So I really like this one. And yeah, I tried. This one is actually not the latest from Chanel, but I can recommend this to you guys if you want something dewy, not dry. But I would like to try the newest Chanel makeup foundation. And aside from that, it's a Healthy Glow foundation with hydration and long wear. So with this one, it doesn't look like your skin is like, you know, super dry. So it makes your face moisturized even if you're wearing this one. So this foundation is worth 53 euro. And what else do I have here? I have here this Chanel eye pencil. So you can use this for the eyebrow. And then so let's check out what's inside the box. So I have here a pencil sharpener, and here it is. So it's Noir Black. It's from Chanel. So this is worth 24.50 euro. So you can use this under the lids also. So it's really nice, guys. You should try this one. Plus, is it good? Is it nice, right? Plus, they gave me some freebies. I opened it earlier. So it's a Chanel Noir Mascara. So I tried it and it's really good. Okay, guys. Thank you. Till next time. Bye.